Hello, Mr. Geiselhart here, and we're going to take a look at question 9. Now, to do this problem, we have to use the idea that if you take two chords and they intersect in a circle, that if you have A, B, and X, A plus B divided by 2 has to equal X. So when I'm looking at this, I know that the X is 119, I know that the B is 138, so I need to find A. So I'll do A plus 138 divided by 2 is equal to 119. Well, to solve, I'm going to put that over 1 and cross multiply. So 1 times a plus 38 is just a plus 138 equals 2 times 119, which is going to be 238. So if I subtract 138, subtract 138, I'm going to end up with a is equal to 100. Well, that means that CB is equal to 100. Well, now that I know that, I can find arc BD simply by going ahead and adding them all up and subtracting from 360. So if I take 360, subtract 100, subtract 45, subtract 138, that will give me 77. So that means that that arc is 77. Now it says find the major arc ABD. So that means I start at A, I go through B, and I go all the way over to D. Now, to find that one, I know that there's 360 degrees in a circle, so probably the easiest way is just do 360, subtract 138, and that will give me that angle, that arc there, which equals 222.